Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video of this channel, and I'm very excited to finally kick this off.
My name is Hugo, I'm from Portugal, and this is my Trooper 6, my brand new Xpeng G6. I call it Trooper 6 because how it looks. Wide futuristic lines, so I decided to call it like a stormtrooper. As you can see below, I already got the G6. So why am I creating this channel? Well, mainly because when I was researching for the car, I came across several spec information, reviews, some videos, marking, but not real ownership content. So basically, real people owning the car and showing what it is to live with an EV and, in this case, with an Xpeng G6. So the reason is I want to show you all what it is on a daily basis to live with this car. Show you all the good things, the comforts, the technology, but also the bad things. What are the problems, how the software evolves, if Xpeng corrects everything, what it is to live on a daily basis with this car. Although I'm Portuguese and I live here in Portugal, I decided to create these videos in English. Why? Well, I want to reach out not only the people that lives here, but also all the people that lives across Europe and also in the world that are already considering Xpeng and even G6 model as their potential new EV. And also I want to show to everybody that is just interested in EVs in general and on these new technologies how the Xpeng G6 performs. Xpeng is pretty new in a lot of places, here in Europe at least. So I hope this channel can help you figure it out if this is the right car for you. This is not going to be some polished car review channel. It's more like my personal diary of living with Trooper 6, my Xpeng G6. You will see what it's like to use the G6 every day for work, errands, road trips and everything in between. All the cool tech and pictures, and the ones that are just confusing. Real charging experiences, both at home and on the road. Maintenance, costs, and how the software evolves over time, as I said before. And of course, some customization and personalization in the car. So, if you are thinking on buying a G6, if you are just curious about the brand and model, or if you already own G6, but you want to know what it is to live with my Trooper 6, just follow, comment, subscribe the channel, and let's go on this ride together.
This is just the beginning, so let's build this channel together and create a community for all the G6 ownership content. So thanks for watching, and I see you in Trooper 6 in the next one. Bye!